of brain. So we have to vibrate maximum the nervous system so that the servicing of brain, cleansing of nerves happens inside our brain. So we will put two fingers so that the vibration getting dissipated from forehead will be plugged. The moment you will touch, the vibration will get damped. Then with middle finger, we will close the corner of the eyes. We will plug the opening of the passage from where tear comes. Then with flap of the ear, we will close the ears also. Then again we will create humming sound like this. So our total nervous system will vibrate, and all the problems related to nervous system, again this will help you further. What are the problems related to nervous system? First is all types of headaches will go. Then migraine, the extreme of headache is migraine, that will also go. Slowly, slowly it will vanish. One day magic will not happen, slowly, slowly it will vanish. Every day if you go on doing it, you will find that there is a huge advantage. You are getting benefited like anything which you have never imagined in your life. So headaches will not be there, migraine will not be there. Then old age problems, Alzheimer, Parkinson's and insomnia, all will go. So you will be, and one more thing, what Ramdev Baba and all tell, negative energy will get radiated and positive energy will pour in. The reason is, with this vibration, all the blockages of nervous system gets cleaned. So generally what happens, that right now in this present world, what is happening with most of the people, I am explaining you. Some tension from office will come inside your brain, it will close, block one nerve. Then again some problem from house will come, it will block another nerve. So like that, slowly, slowly your nerves will get blocked. The more blockage in nerves, the more you will be under tension. So one tension is coming, it is blocking the nerve. Second tension is coming, blocking the nerve. So slowly, slowly, because you are not solving the problems, because you are not finding the solutions, that's why you are not solving the problems, and all the problems are blocking your nerves one by one, and there is a cumulative of so many tensions, that is called hypertension. Your BP becomes high. Then when we do Bhramari Pranayam, we are vibrating the nervous system, so blockage will get cleaned. And one more thing I am telling you, that any problem which you are not able to think of solution, when you are doing Bhramari, think about that problem, you will see that solution is also coming out from your mind, that I can solve this in this way. So 99% of your problems will get solved by Bhramari, and you will be more active. And maybe 1%, see, some problems you cannot solve. So for 1%, don't damage your 99%. So try to make your brain perfectly all right for 99% of your problems. So what Ramdev Baba tells in Hindi, नेगेटिव एनर्जी रेडिएट कर जाएगा, पॉजिटिव एनर्जी अंदर घुसेगा. बेसिकली वी आर क्लीनिंग द नर्व्स ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम बाय भ्रामरी प्राणायाम. दैट्स व्हाई ऑल आवर प्रॉब्लम्स slowly vanishes. So this is called Brahmari Pranayam.